Hi everyone, do you want to collaborate with external organization using Microsoft Teams? In this short video I will show you how you can create a guest team and invite users to it. So let's jump into Teams. First, you need to ensure that your tenant, your organization permits you to have guest access. So it's done in admin Teams, only Microsoft Teams admins can do it. Then you will go to users, guest access, and you need to ensure, and your admins need to ensure that this guest access is on. So sometimes it's off by default. So when it's on, only then you can have created teams with guest access. So for this, you do it pretty easily. You create a new team. There is no difference in creating a team with a guest access or not. Create a team, pick select from scratch, private or public. Let's say demo team 2024. So here you have your example team. Nice work. So now we want to invite external people to the team. So for this team, of course, I will invite real people to real team. So we have here this team. When you go to the settings, you also can see what guests can do. They can create and update channels, or they also can delete channels, which is pretty dangerous. So for now, we won't switch it on. And now we want to invite people. We want to add members. And here, if your people are internal people, you will just type the name, and you can just type them and add them like here's this, or you can paste a name. Let me quickly grab it. So you can also invite people by email. You paste an email, and as you see, it will show that Margot will join you as a guest, which is pretty cool. So we click add, and that's it. You see that Margot will eventually receive an email with an invitation, and she will be able to collaborate here in the guest team. If you need more tutorials how to use Microsoft Teams and other products for your productivity, please let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.